Red horizon. The first human on Mars. The vast Martian landscape, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, with a spacecraft descending towards the surface. In the not-so-distant future, when humanity's dreams reached beyond Earth. There was a journey to a new horizon, a journey that would forever change our perception of the universe. It was a daring mission, years in the making, a mission to place the first human on Mars. Meet Alex Carter, an astronaut chosen for this historic mission. His journey was about to begin. Alex straps into his seat, and the spacecraft touches down on the Martian surface with a soft thud. Touchdown confirmed. Alex had arrived on the red planet. Alex steps out of the spacecraft, wearing a spacesuit. For the first time in human history, a person stood on Mars, where no one had ever set foot before. Alex gazes at the Earth in the Martian sky, a tiny blue dot. As Alex looked up at Earth, he felt the weight of human achievement, knowing that the whole world was watching. Alex conducts experiments, collects samples, and explores the Martian terrain, all while narrating his experiences. Alex excitedly, "It's unlike anything I've ever seen. The Martian soil, the endless horizons, and the silence. It's both alien and familiar." Alex sets up a small camera to take a selfie with the Martian landscape as the backdrop. Alex documented every moment, creating a connection between the people on Earth and the faraway world he now called home. Alex communicates with NASA, sharing his discoveries and the challenges he faces, creating a sense of shared triumphs and struggles. Back on Earth, the world followed his journey with bated breath. United by a shared dream of exploration, Alex's mission comes to a close, and he boards the spacecraft for the journey back to Earth. As the time came to leave, Alex felt a mix of emotions. He was leaving a piece of himself behind on Mars. Alex's spacecraft lifts off from the Martian surface and begins its journey home. But he knew that his journey was just the beginning. Humanity's dreams were now intertwined with the red planet. Alex's spacecraft re-enters Earth's atmosphere, and he parachutes safely into the ocean. Alex had returned, but he had left his mark on history. The first human on Mars, a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. And as the sun set on another day on Earth, it also set on the remarkable story of Alex Carter, the man who touched the stars. Join us in celebrating the pioneers who dare to explore the cosmos, for they carry the dreams of humanity into the infinite unknown. This engaging and captivating story about the first human on Mars combines elements of wonder, exploration, and human achievement.